Hello viewers, in this video you will learn how to cut, trim, add effect, text, music and create professional looking videos quickly by using CapCut for beginners in friendly way. Let's open CapCut and click create project. This interface appears. Now click import to bring videos. You can select one or more videos and click open. Now these are available. Bring it to timeline. So select the one and drag and drop. Or you can also click plus sign to do the same. The first and the most important thing, click ratio button and you can see different ratios for vertical videos, horizontal videos, Facebook, Instagram, etc. different ratio videos. So let me bring it to full screen, 16:9 ratio. Now let me bring another video and let's extract the audio from video. So right click on the video and click extract video, or you can also use Ctrl Shift S to extract the audio from video. Now click on the above unnecessary video and click delete from your keyboard. Now this is a plus minus slider sign for zoom in and zoom out for to see the video clearly or to cut the video precisely. So adjust the video as per your convenience. Now click this sign and you can once again plus minus the video to increase decrease the covered area of the screen. Now let me bring it to the dot area so I may cover the screen completely. Now let's slice the video. So simply click on the video or audio file and come and hover over the split sign. You can also see shortcut of the same. So now click to slice it. It's sliced. Now if I drag it back, so it will come back and attach with the front video. Now let me click on the audio to cut the left side, and this is the button which is responsible for left click. Now the entire left side of the video is gone. Let me click in another area and let's delete the right side or entire end. Now the rear end of the audio has been deleted. Now once again click on the part of the video and click this delete sign. So part of the video has been deleted. To undo the same, click this sign and the last action would be reverse. Now let's use freeze button. So click anywhere on the video and click on freeze. Now a freeze point of 3 seconds would be created. This could also be used for zoom. Once again, let me click the other part of the video and click this reverse sign, and the video will go reverse in case if it completes. Let me cancel it. The same way you can mirror button to change the dimensions. Now let me click rotate option. And if I click it, so rotation takes place. You can rotate it to any direction, and another button which can be used to rotate the video on specific angle. So in case if you would like to bring it back to the original shape, so zero the box in front of rotate and you can see the video has come to its previous shape. Now let's click and use resize. So click on the video and click resize sign. Now you can increase, decrease the area, or let me decrease it to this. Click confirm. Now only this part of the video would be displayed on screen. This is used for recording multiple tracks in single time. Now let me use scale. So click the video and drag it towards left and right, and you can do the same process to increase, decrease the covered area of screen, and this is also used while zooming the video on a particular time. To understand the placement of video, and you can left align, right align, middle align. To bring it back to original position, simply position should be come to 0. X side as well as Y side both should be 0, and make the scale box to 100. And now full screen is covered once again. Now let me click on audio or video and go up and click on audio. You can see volume. You can increase, decrease volume, fade in, fade out, reduce noise. There are much more options you can simply use by dragging the graph from left to right side. Now let's click this mic-like sign and you can use it for voiceover. And now you can see the graph is moving, so I can use this without external mic, or now I am using the computer mic for recording. Now let me close it and let me bring another video to be placed above the previous video. Now let's click the new video and click mute sign, and if I play it, so above is already mute and there would be no voice available or recorded in case if you use it. Let's play it, and now the above track is only available for visibility, however there is no voice of the same. To unmute it, simply click unmute. Now let me click hide track button. This is used to hide the track on some specific videos or recording or during recording of multiple tracks at a time. So click the same to unhide it. Now let's check lock the track. When you click lock sign, so now it is safe from accidental cut, and I can do cutting of the below tracks. However, the above lock track is safe from accidental cut. Click once again the lock sign to unlock it. Now let me click the small downward arrow and let's click this split button, which is used for quick cut, or it looks like blade. And now I can do quick cutting like this in case if your audio or videos have different gaps and needs quick cuts. Now let me click the downward arrow and select option A in front of arrow. So now blade cutting would stop. So click on the gap, press Ctrl from your keyboard and keep on clicking. Multiple clips has been selected. So click delete from your keyboard to delete the unwanted gaps. Deletion at once. To increase, decrease the volume or variation of audio, click on the audio track and you can see a line over here. So simply drag it with your mouse up or down, or the other way. You can see a slide under volume and drag this graph towards left or right to increase, decrease or control the volume level. Once again, click on the video and click on speed. Now if I drag it towards right side, so the video will go faster. And in case if I bring it other side or left side, now the video will go in slow motion. And now if you play it, so it will go slow motion. Now let's click the double arrow and you can see the adjustment. So click open adjustment and there is a lot of options like temp, tint, saturation. So change the graph and bring it to the desired level by color control, contrast control. Many more options like shadow, sharpen, clarity. Clarity and sharpen are very important for recording the technical videos to show the smaller text to the optimal level. Now let's click text to bring text box above the video. Now this appears, so click and drag the text box and place it above the video. Now let me insert the text. You can write anything about your video. You will shortly see. Now in case if I play it, so this video editing text has been displayed. Now let's click the text box. You can bold it, underline it, italic it, and you can change the colors, but remember there are much more options below this. Now in case if I click it, so this is one of my favorite, and you can also make it transparent and intransparent. Furthermore, you can increase, decrease the size of your text, but turn off this button and now you can change not only the length, width, but any shape you can assign it. Now let's click stickers and there is lot of stickers. Let me click this to download as well as click the star to make it favorite. Let's drag it down to paste it above the video. Now subscribe button is visible. You can place it anywhere, increase, decrease the size, as well as you can place it anywhere in your video. Let me play it and you can see that the subscribe button looks good to impress your viewers. The same way, you can click on effects, transitions, captions, filters and adjustment. All can be used in the same way. Let me click filters, crystal clear, so click it to download as well as leave it above the video and play it and you will see much more effects if you use it. Now let's use turn on preview axis, which is my favorite, and this can enable you for precise cutting in short possible time. Now you can see a thin yellowish line, so place it where you would like to cut and use the keyboard for quick cutting. I'm using keyboard and mouse to do multiple cuts in shortest possible time. Now once again turn off this button and click on the undesired area. Keep Ctrl key pressed and keep on selection, and at once click delete from your keyboard and unwanted areas are vanished. Now let's use turn off main track magnet. So to understand it, let me slice the video, and when I drag it, automatically attach to the earlier part of the video. So click and turn off the main track magnet, and when it off, so drag the video to anywhere and gap creates. Now I can place much more videos or any XYZ. To rejoin it, just click it once again. The multiple tracks will automatically join each other like magnet on the main track. Now let's click export. So first write a meaningful name to your video. Below it is resolution. So in case if I click it open, so 2K, 4K resolutions available, but I personally keep 1080p. Next is bitrate, and there is lower recommended and higher and custom options. So I suggest to use recommended or higher. It's up to you what you choose. And below it is format. There are two types of format, MOV and MP4. MP4 is better and quite easy. The last and the final thing is frame rate. 25 FPS and 30 FPS is better. However, gamers or some specific user can keep 50 or 60. So let's keep export. Now let me close the CapCut and let's open the video. Now this is the video we shortly made. Thanks for watching.